Welcome back to the Enfield Diaries, where today we're going to see if we can fill this hole with a door, because the window frame is very badly rotten. The B-post end, which you can see is badly rotted and had actually broken completely free at this point, has been replaced. So I put new material in here and then I've kinked it. I've just got to weld this to the right shape once I've matched it to the door. So I've replaced from here right to the bottom to replicate the original, which you can see is rather rotten. Had to replace a little bit more here because it had actually rotted through higher up than I'd expected. My new stainless steel section's got to be welded in here, and I've got to check the alignment at this end and make sure that all the windows fit, as well as it fitting the aperture on the car. So it's got to fit this aperture correctly. So I'm going to have to make the door up, tack it in place and check that it actually fits. So I've tacked the door glass area onto the door and fitted the frame and the door. And you can see that the alignment, bearing in mind the door's not attached, so it's dropped at the back corner slightly, the alignment is reasonably okay, so I'm reasonably happy with that. So the next job is to fit the finisher that goes across here. So I've refitted the door hinges and mounted the lower frame, and then put the repaired window frame on top of it and clamped it down. I've allowed here for the thickness of the door skin, because the door skin, the aluminium cover, slides between this top piece and the lip on the top of the door. So there's a gap here for that to slide into. So that's the repair to the door glass surround complete. I've added a little bit of extra structural strength here to join the runner to the actual door post, and I've welded it in, and then I've welded the steel inner door skin to the actual unit here. There's still a gap here for my door skin to go into. That's then pop riveted down, so that will pull up nice and tight. And I've checked the door glass, they seem to fit. And again, at the rear here, the inner skin is welded on. Got to grind that back, but you can see that that's nice and firm, no twist at all, and of course crucially no rot in the door frame like there was before. So that's one door frame done. Guess what I've got to do now? Oh look, some more rot, and the only way really to deal with it is to take the door frame off, rinse and repeat. So by the time you see us next time, this door frame may have a door in it as well. And if you've liked what you've seen, please try and like and possibly subscribe. Join us next time on the Enfield Diaries.